Meanwhile, two men police say are members of the feared Klansman gang were fatally shot during a police shootout yesterday. They have been identified as Cornell McKenzie, otherwise called CJ, and Dennis Francis, also known as Steve, both of Spanish Town addresses. A release from the Constabulary Communication Unit this afternoon says a team conducted targeted operations to arrest Mr. McKenzie and other top-tier members of the gang in the King Street section of Spanish Town. During the operation, several men traveling in a Nissan motorcar reportedly confronted the police. The report adds that a gunfight ensued and two of the men were fatally shot while the others escaped. A revolver with 3 cartridges along with 1 spent shell was reportedly seized by the police during the operation. The bodies of 2 men found yesterday on the Dyke Road in Portmore St. Catherine have been identified. They are 18-year-old Kubuki Smith of Lower Mall Road, Kingston, and 26-year-old Hussaini Tennant of a Kingston 11 address. It's reported that yesterday morning a passerby stumbled on the bodies in bags and alerted the police. Investigators are yet to establish a motive for the killings. It is believed that the men may have been murdered elsewhere and the bodies dumped on Dyke Road. Investigations are now underway into the vandalism of several of Flow's overhead transmission cables in Manchester earlier yesterday. Sections of Broadleaf in the parish are now without internet connection after vandals cut the wires, causing widespread outrage of fixed voice, video broadband and high-speed data transmission. Other affected areas include Mandeville and sections of St. Elizabeth. It's understood that Digicel services in that area are also affected.